Hey, I'm Jo and I welcome you to my kitchen and to my baby-friendly recipes. I have this great recipe of biscuits with oatmeal flakes and nuts. For this you need 180 grams of flour, 140 grams of oatmeal flakes, 1 egg, 50 grams of melted butter, 90 grams of nuts, and 120 grams of sour cream. What you need to do now is mix all the ingredients and leave the nuts at the end. I will start with the egg. I will add the butter. Now the sour cream. I'll continue mixing. Now I'll add the oatmeal flakes and also the flour. And now the nuts. It's time for me to use my hands to mix everything. Now I will put this batter in the oven tray and I'll try to spread it equally. What I'm also going to do is cut the batter and set a shape for the biscuits. I'll put them in the preheated oven at 180 Celsius degrees for 30 minutes. Okay, all done. Let's take them out of the oven. Put them on a plate. And enjoy them. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notifications so we can keep in touch. Take care. Bye.